Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Sensational's loose crimp unit. Straight out of the pack, she is beautiful. She's flat, nice and flat. This is a middle part unit again. You cannot part anywhere else. There is 3 combs in the unit, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. So if y'all been rocking with me for a while, y'all know I used the Ebin lace tint in the color medium brown to tint my lace. Once you are done tinting the lace, it should look like this, and then we're going to go ahead and blow dry it till it's dry. Listen up, guys. She cute now, but she is small. This wig is small. I could barely get it on my head. I could barely pull the lace from underneath. It was a struggle, y'all. Yeah, I was trying my best to get under that wig and get those combs to lay down. I eventually got it, but by this wig being so small, it was kind of a struggle. So once that's fitting to my liking, I am going to tie my hair up so that I can be able to cut the lace and see what I'm doing on the hairline. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive. You can get this from Walmart. You can get this from the beauty supply. It's like $7. But I'm just going to spray that straight across my hairline.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Then I'm going to go in with that elastic band to lay that down so that I can blow dry the lace. So once that is all dry, I am going to remove the elastic band and begin to cut the lace. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color 15. If you know, you know. This is like the holy grail to get that lace a nice melt and make it look like it's coming out of your scalp.
This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need.
So I decided to step out of my comfort zone this time and do some baby hairs. So y'all bear with me a little bit, but my first time I do think I did a good job, a pretty good job. So I just started by separating two little parts on each side. I don't know, some of the people that I be watching do synthetic wigs, they make it look so simple. But they do explain that, you know, it's trial and error with these baby hairs and you really have to take your time with them. So, you know, throughout this process, when I did do this wig, I understand that they are correct because we were struggling. So by me not being a baby hair girl, I do not like them thick baby hairs. It's just not giving. It don't look right. You look a fool. But that's why I am going in and plucking them a little bit just to get them a little bit more thinner so that I can go ahead and curl them and cut them. So I did cut on an angle and then I did cut them a little bit longer than I would like, only just to see if they were going to curl how I wanted them to. And I could always just cut more off. I really should have, and I'll say that, you know, because there was a little swoopy thingy at the end. But for my first time, I just know next time that I will do that. And I can always go back in and cut the ends off. But you guys will see what I'm talking about as the video goes on. So now I'm going in with the Got To Be styling gel in the black bottle. And I'm just rubbing a little bit on the baby hairs at the top just so I can swoop them. And you would think, you know, it's, oh, just swoop it a little bit and you done. But no. Trying to get that perfect curve and get the lace to lay down at the same time. I mean, it's laid, but it's kind of like the more products you put on the lace, the more it starts to lift. Those who do hair and do their wigs and things like that, y'all know what I'm talking about.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality.
To define my part, I am going back in with that Ruby Kisses cream foundation and just rubbing some of that along the part. And then we're going to begin to detangle the hair. I do recommend using a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb because these synthetic wigs will knot up on you. It will get nappy at the ends and all of that, even straight out of the box. So now I know y'all see that one little baby hair rising up and looking a fool over there. But I did go ahead and fix my baby hairs off camera just to get them to lay down more and look more uniform. And you guys will see that later on in the video as well. Here they go, y'all. I'm proud of myself. And I am going in with the Ebin Lace Bun Spray. I've been hearing a lot of the good things about this. It's kind of like the dupe for the Spritz, the Anastasia, or Fantasia. I don't know what that is. Fantasia Spritz that melts the lace. I think this will be a good dupe for that. It's less expensive, and I did get it off Amazon. So I'm gonna tie that down, like the baby hair and all of that I just sprayed on there. I'm gonna tie that down. I am not gonna blow dry it. I'm just gonna let it naturally dry on its own. And then I'm just going back in, comb the hair out, just making sure it's nice and uniform. Next, I'm going to go in with some Tresemme mousse just to get my curls popping, back popping, should I say, because after I parted the middle and separated the hair at the top, it was looking real crazy. So as you can see, all you got to do is add a little mousse and it'll bring the curls back to life. Write a book about my life until our things going. Finding love, it ain't been right. Illusions, flame throwing. Right my wrongs and make it right. Let's get some change going. Losing love, I swear I hate my heart, just crave yours. A little obsessive, I'm just trying to make my name yours. If I had it, you can get it, love, just name yours. Crazy Bob could even fix it, made it rain more. Thoughts in my head, my brain storming. Illusions roll out the bed, I hate mornings. Bitches love to sing the blues, they hate honest. See your love just got me hooked, she ain't phonics. She more addicted than she looks, a fake chronic. She made me feel that I was classy, fake Bonnie. Heart been broken different places, but still I stand. I just need a lady that understands. Love it, she embraced me, her Peter Pan. Shit been different lately. Then I am going to go in with my hot comb just to lay the top of that hair down a little bit. I hate when people that have this unit, they just be slapping the wig on and then it be real high at the top and it be real tall looking. Baby, how calm that down? Stop playing. Make a difference in the morning. Lost my man, I put my ego in the casket. Giving out this look that's bad and I was bragging. If I ever gave you love, then it was passion. Gave off a different type of rub, my heart been crashing. I ain't just any type of scrub, been through madness. I show a different type of love, don't look past it. Losing love, I lost the wheel, I let her have it. Lost it all, I go the wheel, I should've grabbed it. This hair ain't love, what too coldly. Tripping on ropes, I've been falling. Crying through the night, might not be here in the morning. Someone to hold me tight or make a difference in the morning. This here ain't love, what to call it. Tripping on ropes, I've been falling.
crying through the night, might not be here in the morning. Someone to hold me tight and make a difference in the morning. This rain, no. This rain, no. This rain, no. This rain, no. This rain, no.
And this is the finished results. I really love how this turned out. The baby hairs are popping. It's looking like it's coming out of my scalp. And yeah, y'all follow me, subscribe, and I got more videos coming on the way. Thank you for watching.